Welcome to Dino's Playroom. We have a Super Mario Challenge today where we have mini obstacle course for the Mario brothers to compete in to save the princess and Blue Luna, and Yoshi's in there somewhere. Hopefully they can find him. You ready, Dino?
Yes!
Let's go! All right, first, somebody's got to beat Bowser down the scary alligator track. Who wants to race him first? Ooh, is that Luigi monster truck? All right, put up Bowser monster truck and Luigi monster truck. All right, Luigi, you can do it. Oh, there they go. And he did it! Bowser got eaten by the alligators. Good job, Luigi. All right, who is in the foam? Yoshi's stuck in the cloud. All right, we have the Mario truck, the Yoshi truck, the Luigi truck, and we have Mario and Luigi here to try to get Yoshi out of the ooey gooey cloud that he's stuck in by Bowser. All right, are you ready, Dean?
Yeah.
Who's going in first? The Luigi truck. Oh, try another one. Ready? Set. Hey, trucks, get in there. Who's inside? Oh, they're pushing the cloud. Is Yoshi in there? Where is he? Oh, did you find him? Oh my goodness.
It is Yoshi.
Let's see. Oh, we gotta clean him up and find out. Yoshi is safe. Thanks, Mario and Luigi. Oh no, look at Blue Luna. He's stuck in the slime. Yuck. Bowser did this. We have to help him. Princess Peach, can you get him out of there on your motorcycle? Whoa. Wow, Princess Peach likes the green goo slime. She's doing donuts in it.
That's his favorite color.
That's her favorite color? I thought it was pink.
No, pink is his favorite color.
Well, maybe she likes pink and green.
She likes pink and green.
Way to go, Princess Peach. Wow.
Pink or that pink and green are his favorite colors.
Good job, Princess Peach. You saved Blue Luna. So cute. Oh no, Bowser and the dragon have trapped Princess Peach on the tower. We need our monster truck, Super Mario Brothers, to save her. Let's go. Up first is Mario. Go, Mario. Oh, almost. Can Luigi do it? Oh, so close. Luigi took down Bowser. We just have to take out this dragon now. All right, Yoshi, go. Whoa. Go, Mario, go. All right, go, Luigi, go. Oh, he knocked out the dragon. Wow. They did it. They saved Princess Peach. All right. Oh, now they get to have a foam party because they completed all their challenges. Go! Oh, Bowser's going in first. I guess he can play even though he caused a lot of trouble today.
And
He's sorry.
he's sorry.
Yeah. All right, and if you like Super Mario Brothers and monster trucks and challenges and race videos and rescue videos, hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of fun on Dino's Playroom. Get in there, Luigi. Get in there, Super Mario Brothers. Oh, there goes Yoshi monster truck.
I'm driving this truck.
Wow. Goodbye, friends.
Bye, friends.